Now we are about to witness the birth of a record-breaking tornado that will eventually grow to over 2.5 miles wide.
That is not cool. That is ugly. Ugly tornado. Look at the size of that monster. Jesus.
Just eager to get to our underground shelter.
Boy, those tornadoes so terrifying yesterday. Amazing that no one was killed.
I know, isn't it? There were 18 tornado reports, George, 6 to 13 reported on the ground, and 2 major tornadoes striking the area. And as you say, it is shocking that there were no deaths. Thank goodness.
Thank goodness, but the pictures are mind-boggling. Look at these right now. These tractor trailers we're going to show you, they look like Tonka trucks being thrown through the air right there, and then they piled up. There it is right there, right after the massive twisters. They were just flying through the air and twirling.
And entire neighborhoods were torn up. We have the roof ripped off from a home. The entire bedroom looks intact with a flat screen TV still there. Another home there, 2x4s shooting through the walls like missiles. So much of the destruction caught on tape as it happened around 1 p.m. Dallas
And again,
time.
those were deadly weapons, but no one was killed.
Live on the KRLD Newsline by DFW Airport spokesman David Magana. David, thanks for being with us. What's the latest at DFW Airport?
Well, obviously, we are under the same tornado warning that we're seeing all around the region, as you guys have been reporting. And at the airport, we've begun the process of sheltering our passengers. In other words, moving them away from all of the glass areas on the edges of the terminals and into the centered areas of the terminals and away from the windows as much as we can.
Developing story out west in Colorado. Late today, a tornado was spotted near the Denver International Airport, which created some scary moments for travelers told to huddle in bathrooms and stairwells. ABC's Clayton Sandell is there.
Imagine landing at a major airport and seeing this.
That's a tornado.
Hundreds of passengers at the Denver International Airport racing for shelter as a funnel cloud approached.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning that includes Denver International Airport concourses and terminals.
Travelers huddled nervously in hallways and bathrooms waiting for the all clear. The normally busy concourse eerily quiet while severe thunderstorms and strong winds battered the runways. You can see the storm is now pushed off to the east, but not before bringing America's 5th busiest airport to a complete standstill. The tornado left behind no damage or injuries, but a real scare for people hoping to travel safely by air tonight. Clayton Sandell, ABC News, Denver.
Now, right now, we're told that there are no significant delays, but of course, earlier today, Donna, this crazy weather basically shut this place down. One of the nation's busiest airports essentially shut down because the National Weather Service said a tornado was headed there. People were told to take shelter at the lower level baggage claim area or go to a bathroom.
We all filed into the ladies' room and just sat down on the floor and hung out for a while. I kind of warned people as I went along that they needed to get up and go downstairs because we couldn't, the rain was coming down so loud, you couldn't hear what they were saying on the PA system.
Another traveler tweeted this picture of people packed together in the baggage claim area and away from the windows. What was in the air over the airport was what appeared to be a funnel cloud. A BWI firefighter, who is also a meteorologist, sent us this picture. Look closely at the center of the picture and you can see the makings of the funnel.
Yeah, Dave, I've never seen anything like this. Lambert St. Louis International Airport is closed. When is the last time you've ever heard that? It is closed, temporarily suspended all operations earlier this evening as the air traffic control tower here confirmed that a tornado did blow through this area, doing significant damage. A number of windows blown out. You can see those large windows that are in the main terminal here. John, if you pan to your left here, there they are. Those things are about 10 to 15 feet high, a number of them blown out. A Concourse C lost part of its roof. There's debris inside the terminal, debris outside here where we are in the upper loading and unloading area. And we now know of about 3 injuries. There have been ambulances standing by here. We know that we saw one person on an ambulance taken away, another person, and we just saw some emergency medical personnel take a stretcher inside the airport here, presuming that they are bringing out another person who has been injured. So we know probably of a few injuries, possibly 3.
Wow, I just saw that hit. George, you alright?
Yeah, sure.
Holy, wow, look at the plane. Wow. Where'd the plane go? The plane's right there. All those people are on it. Wow. save my energy.
What is it? What's going to come?
I think the tornado.